Hi guys, I'm walking on this little trail that I took a couple months ago, and I went down that way. And when I was walking that way, it felt like somebody was watching me this way. And now I'm walking back this way, back that way. Feels like somebody's watching me this way. And I can kind of understand how people say if they spent long enough in the woods, like they'll start to see things. And I'm not saying that I am, but it just feels like something is like watching you, like from a distance. I do believe this trail goes longer, but I'm not going to because it's like a damp, rainy-ish day. So, oh, see that black fort right there? I think that's interesting. But when it's a warmer day, not so gloomy day, and when I have better shoes on, I'll take a walk on this trail again. I have my flashlight and my recorder just in case, because I know down that way there's like a old camper, and I'm pretty sure this trail leads to it. But once I find a way through the woods to get there, I'll investigate it. And I noticed when I was walking on the trail, I could see like deer tracks. So that's cool. And it must have been like rabbit poop or deer poop or something, but it was something small enough like that. So now I'm heading my way back because, like I said, it's a gloomy day, and I still get a feeling something back there is watching me. So like I'm not too worried about it. Like if they were gonna get me, they would have got me already. So I know that's not nice to say, but I'm just saying. So yeah. Oh, I see a car coming. And now you can see the headlights. But yeah, look at this effing trail. I just wonder how many people can just stand here with like either bright colors or dark colors. And if somebody is paying attention, they'll freak out, oh my god, somebody's in the woods, but yeah. But I know a lot of people are not paying attention when they come around that curve. And this was the part I was going to have troubles with. So, just bear with me. I made my little buffer bridge here. Yeah, I know my shoe is going to get a little bit wet. There you go. Gotta go underneath. There we go. But yeah, see, like right now, I don't feel like I'm being watched, but towards that way, I did. But of course, I really haven't spent that much in the woods growing up, but yeah, like you get that feeling, like someone or something, like back there is like watching you, but yeah. Now I'm back. No, but I'm tempted to park my car like the way I have it. And just kind of walk down the road. You know, 'cause I see a lot of people walking in the country. You know, and just check it out, that camper. See, then he's parking area. You know, to show that hey, I can park here. So, but yeah, looks like somebody had a little fire there. But I'm probably gonna go, you know, so, and upload this video. So, if you have any questions, comment below, you know. So, bye.